Ever wondered just how many car manufacturers there are in the world and where they're all based? Well, today's your lucky day. We're about to embark on a fascinating journey, spanning continents and exploring the rich diversity of car manufacturers. From the titans of the USA to Japan's high-tech industry, Germany's precision engineering, and Italy's passionate design aesthetic. Each country brings its unique flair to the automotive industry. So buckle up and get ready for a global tour of car manufacturers. First stop, the United States, the birthplace of the mass-produced automobile. The United States has long been a powerhouse in the automotive industry, with a rich history of innovation and entrepreneurship. It's home to some of the world's most iconic and influential car manufacturers. Let's kick things off with General Motors, an American giant that's been in the game for over a century. Founded in 1908, General Motors has become a pillar of the American automotive industry. With brands like Chevrolet, Cadillac and GMC under its belt, General Motors has a car for every taste and budget. Next up is Ford, another long-standing titan of the industry. Established by Henry Ford in 1903, Ford revolutionized the automotive world with the introduction of the Model T and the assembly line production method. Today, Ford continues to produce popular models like the F-150 and the Mustang, embodying that classic American spirit of innovation and hard work. But it's not just the veterans making waves. Enter Tesla, the brainchild of tech entrepreneur Elon Musk. Tesla has single-handedly thrust electric vehicles into the mainstream, challenging the status quo and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. With sleek design and impressive performance, Tesla's vehicles like the Model S and Roadster are turning heads and changing minds about the potential of electric cars. These manufacturers, along with others like Chrysler and Chevrolet, have crafted the American automotive narrative. They've given us everything from the practical to the luxurious, the fuel-efficient to the high-powered. They've shown us how cars can be more than just a means of transportation. They can be an expression of identity, a testament to human ingenuity. So, whether it's the roar of a Ford Mustang's engine, the elegance of a Cadillac, the versatility of a Chevy truck, or the silent hum of a Tesla, American car manufacturers have left an indelible mark on the global automotive scene. From electric cars to roaring muscle cars, the USA sure knows how to make an impression on the road. Next, we jet off to Japan, where technology and efficiency reign supreme. In the realm of automotive manufacturing, Japan stands tall as a beacon of innovation and quality. Home to some of the world's most renowned car manufacturers, this nation has carved out a reputation for its high-tech, reliable vehicles that have gained global recognition. Let's start with Toyota, the largest car manufacturer in the world. Toyota is a household name, and for a good reason. Known for their robust, dependable vehicles, Toyota has consistently led the way in hybrid technology with their iconic Prius model. They've also been pioneers in fuel cell vehicles, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in clean, renewable energy. Then there's Honda, a manufacturer that's no less impressive. Honda's reputation for reliability is almost legendary, and their commitment to innovation is clear in their diverse lineup of cars. From the family-friendly CR-V to the sporty Civic Type R, Honda's range caters to all tastes. Not to mention their venture into robotics and artificial intelligence, which has implications far beyond the automotive world. And who could forget Nissan? This car giant is known for its technological prowess, especially in the realm of electric vehicles. The Nissan Leaf is one of the top-selling electric cars in the world due to its affordability and practicality. Nissan's ProPilot Assist system, an advanced driver assistance technology, also signifies their commitment to paving the way for autonomous driving. But it's not just about the big names. Smaller manufacturers like Mazda, Subaru and Suzuki each play their part in the tapestry of Japan's automotive industry. They may not produce as many cars, but the attention to detail, innovative design and advanced technology they bring to the table cannot be overlooked. Japan's car industry is a study in balancing tradition and innovation. Their manufacturers are driven by a philosophy of constant improvement, or Kaizen, which is reflected in the superior quality and technological advancement of their vehicles. Reliable and technologically advanced, Japanese cars continue to win hearts worldwide. Now let's zoom over to Germany, home of precision engineering and high-performance vehicles. Germany's reputation for precision engineering is well-deserved, especially when it comes to their automotive industry. The country is home to some of the world's most renowned car manufacturers, each with a rich history and a unique contribution to the global car scene. Let's start with BMW, an acronym for Bayerische Motorenwerke, or Bavarian Motorworks if you prefer the English version. BMW has been around for over a century, and they've spent that time perfecting the art of making luxury vehicles that are as thrilling to drive as they are to look at. Their vehicles are known for their balance between performance and comfort, wrapped up in a sleek, stylish package. Next, we have Mercedes-Benz, another titan of German engineering. Mercedes-Benz is synonymous with luxury, and for good reason. Their cars are meticulously crafted, with every detail designed to enhance the driving experience. They've been at the forefront of many technological advancements in the car industry, leading the way in safety, comfort and performance. And then there's Volkswagen, fondly known as the people's car. Volkswagen has a knack for creating cars that are reliable, practical and affordable, without skimping on quality. They've produced some of the world's most iconic vehicles, from the beloved Beetle to the versatile Golf. Each of these manufacturers embodies a different aspect of German engineering. BMW showcases the balance between performance and comfort, Mercedes-Benz illustrates the height of luxury, and Volkswagen proves that quality doesn't have to break the bank. But what ties them all together is their commitment to precision. Every part of a German car, from the engine to the upholstery, is meticulously crafted. This attention to detail is what sets German cars apart. It's why they're known for their reliability, their performance, and their unyielding quality. German cars, with their blend of luxury and performance, truly stand in a class of their own. From Germany we head south to Italy, where cars are more than just machines, they are works of art. In this Mediterranean country, nestled between the azure waters and the Alpine mountains, the passion for design runs deep. It's a passion that's evident in every curve and contour of their iconic cars. Let's start with Ferrari, a brand synonymous with luxury, speed and prestige. Enzo Ferrari, the founder, once said, "I build engines and attach wheels to them." And indeed he did. But he did so much more than that. He created a legacy that transcends the automotive world. A Ferrari isn't just a car, it's a statement, a testament to the relentless pursuit of perfection. Next up, Lamborghini. Ferruccio Lamborghini started his journey as a tractor manufacturer, but his love for cars led him to create some of the world's most recognizable supercars. Lamborghini cars are known for their aggressive design, sharp lines, and a mix of elegance and audacity that's hard to find elsewhere. The brand's Raging Bull logo isn't just a symbol, it's a representation of the raw power that lies beneath the hood. And then there's Fiat, a brand that has been producing cars since the late 19th century. Fiat stands for Fabbrica Italiana Automobili Torino, which translates to Italian Automobiles Factory Turin. Fiat cars may not have the speed of a Ferrari or the power of a Lamborghini, but they are loved worldwide for their compact design, fuel efficiency and affordability. Fiat's designs embody the spirit of the Italian people, practical, stylish and always ready to embrace the joy of life. Whether it's the roaring engine of a Ferrari, the daring aesthetics of a Lamborghini, or the compact charm of a Fiat, Italian cars have a unique allure that's hard to resist. They are a perfect blend of form and function, a testament to Italy's passion for design. Italian cars, with their breathtaking designs and thrilling performance, never fail to turn heads. We've toured the globe, exploring the automotive industry from various corners of the world. We've been on a thrilling ride, haven't we? We started our journey in the USA, the land of automotive titans. From Ford's pioneering assembly line to Tesla's cutting-edge electric vehicles, America has shown us the transformative power of innovation. Then we zipped over to Japan, home to high-tech car manufacturing. We looked at how giants like Toyota and Honda have revolutionized the industry with their commitment to quality, efficiency and technology. Japanese cars, with their blend of tradition and innovation, truly embody the spirit of monozukuri, or the art of making things. Our journey then took us to Germany, the land of precision engineering. We delved into the legacy of brands like Mercedes-Benz, BMW and Audi, whose meticulous craftsmanship and relentless pursuit of perfection have set the gold standard in the automotive world. Next, we cruised into Italy, where we discovered the passion for design that drives the Italian car industry. From the sleek lines of a Ferrari to the iconic design of a Fiat, Italian cars are a testament to the country's love for beauty and style. So next time you hit the road, remember, you're not just driving a car, you're experiencing a piece of a country's culture and engineering prowess.